How's it going, guys? This is Austin here at the Phillips in Bourbonnais. I wanted to show off some more awesome safety features that you get across the Chevrolet lineup. We are inside of the 2026 Chevy Traverse High Country. I wanted to show off how to customize and change, as well as access all of your collision and detection systems. So if you turn the camera on over to here, you'll be able to see under settings, if you go into vehicle, you'll scroll to the actual collision and detection systems, and you can see all of the different options that they have. You can either turn them on or off, or you can even change the actual sort of intervention that it will do. So, for example, here for the Forward Collision Avoidance, with how it's set up right now, it will alert and brake, but you can have it just alert you and not take over your actual driving if you don't like if the car is actually going to make any sort of interventions for you. A lot of the times people do keep it on the alert and brake overall options just because that's allowing the car to either lessen the overall impact or stop the impact from happening altogether. You can see there's all sorts of different options all the way throughout here, and this will change depending on the actual vehicle that you have, depending on what sort of options that they have. But I wanted to make sure to point that out just so you have all of the safety features and how to edit them at your fingertips. So if you want to check out this car or any of our other options here, you can always give us a call here at 815-933-2251 or stop on by and see me. Thanks.